In this lesson, we will examine x and y-intercepts of lines. We will begin with x-intercepts. The x-intercept of a line is defined as the x-coordinate of the point where the line intersects the x-axis. So, for example, this line crosses the x-axis right here at the point 3, 0. So the x-intercept of this line is 3. Now, as an aside, please observe that the y-coordinate at the x-intercept is 0. We're going to apply this property shortly. Now, y-intercepts are very similar to x-intercepts. The y-intercept of a line is the y-coordinate of the point where the line intersects the y-axis. So since this line crosses the y-axis at the point 0, -2, we say that the y-intercept of this line is -2. Now please observe that at the intersection point here, the x-coordinate is 0. We're now going to apply this property as we find the x and y-intercepts of the line defined by the equation 3x plus 4y equals 6. Let's find the y-intercept first. To do this, we will use the fact that when a line crosses the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0 at the point of intersection. So if we let x equal 0, we can take the equation of the line and plug 0 in for x to find the corresponding value for y. When we solve this equation for y, we see that when x equals 0, y must equal 1.5. So one solution to this equation is x equals 0, y equals 1.5, which means the y-intercept here is 1.5. We'll now use a similar approach to find the x-intercept. Now we already know that when a line crosses the x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0 at the point of intersection. So if we let y equal 0, we can take the equation of our line and plug 0 in for y to find the corresponding value for x. When we solve this equation for x, we see that when y equals 0, x equals 2. So another solution to this equation is x equals 2 and y equals 0, which means the x-intercept of the line must be 2. Now if we take these solutions and plot them in the xy plane, we can see that the resulting line has x-intercept 2 and y-intercept 1.5. Okay, let's summarize. In this lesson, we learned the definition of x-intercept, and we learned that we can find the x-intercept of a line by plugging y equals 0 into the equation. We also learned the definition of y-intercept and how to find the y-intercept by plugging x equals 0 into the equation.